hands on me. Your thanks to Toronto. We all bus to Toronto. Thank you, Steve. Let's take the following. My lifestyle in New York. I'm staycation there. Love the New York holiday. I love New York. Several hotels to Toronto Hotel. Broadway shopping. Internet bookstore in New York. We love internet. Internet everywhere for good looking at. Computer web we get internet. Internet is now this power. Internet power on. Single girl setup screen. Office Evergreen. You get high-speed internet. Cable box down with your life never stops. Wi-Fi password. Internet has no speed. Don't stop. We like stable high-speed internet. Single girl makes it a lot money. We should accommodate this with no holiday. Can you get this today? We together shopping. One more day. One day from now. You are going to novel story. Big bookstore. Tom saves everything. 4 minutes. Little girl great people. You can recommend them. Driving in one bedroom. Same city, same city. Big office store. He takes auto. Same story New York. Same tech studio. BeatingX.com students see the top 10 computer repair and learn how to repair in 5 minutes low-price computer repair. Jim Jones, William Jones, New York City College of Technology, 3.8 GPA, scholarships, computer engineering, and amplifiers. From New York City, I'm an American. The Story New York, iMac Say Hello, the iMac Pro Computer 5K, the City Tech Computer Engineering, 5K is new Apple computer, New York City, Tim City Tech Studio, we get iMac 5K Apple computer. I like computer, I like magazine, the girl Chrystie Smith, she like vacation, she is office girl, Chrystie same face like the magazine cover girl this month. She like internet. We can download Adobe PDF magazines. We can see the magazine on computer. SpeakeEnglish.com. The Staples Store, the magazine's test printer. New York City, Mr. Pro. The Chrystie station next to the Soho. The Soho magazine store open 24 hours. The fashion model is 18 to 24 in 4 years 1 million concrete. New York City, the Broadway show, the Story New York. She like iPhone. She like Story New York. She like Nike t-shirt. She like Soho fashion show. She very good looking. Same face office girl. Girl high school new grade. She has made million family with 1 million country. 4 years make 1 million. $10 part-time 1 hour. The store and factory New York. Happy New Year. July 4th fireworks. The holiday this year. Macy's Big Shopping Center New York. The Manhattan Building 1 million. A million money maker winner. SpeakingX.com, the store in New York. When you make 1 million. The magazine store, the Adobe Photoshop. The camera with all-in-one iPhone. The Apple Store 5K iMac. Sony 4K TV with mini Google Browse OS. She also like iPhone. Call me Smith, English only. Mr. Tim. Trillion Joan Million King like Trillion Joan. New York and Toronto. Sun never go set. Single Trillion Joan. New York Joan. Music don't stop. Internet music.